Let's continue our fourth lecture. While designing with WSM, we are having some limits. You should know about that. In direct tension, two tables, two columns are there. Grade of concrete and tensile stress in Newton per mm square. Grade of concrete means M15, M20, M25 and M30. We are having aware about these grades of concrete. M means design mix and 15 is the grade of concrete. So for M15 grade of concrete, the tensile stress is 2 Newton per mm square. For M20 grade of concrete, the tensile stress is 2.8 Newton per mm square. For M25 grade of concrete, the tensile stress is 3.2 Newton per mm square. And for M30 grade of concrete, the 3.6 is the tensile stress in Newton per mm square. We always used to take the M20 and M25 grade of concrete nowadays. You can also take these values from page number 80 of IS 456-2000. So these are the limiting values in direct tension. Now, the permissible stresses in concrete in Newton per mm square. The grade of concrete, permissible stresses in compression. The permissible stresses in compressions are in two parts, bending and direct. Bending means if bending comes in the slabs and beams. If you are applying the load on beam like that, then the bending occurs, and direct is for the column. If you are applying the loads on the column, if you are applying the pressure on the column, then it comes directly, means it is in direct. And permissible stresses in bond average for plain paths in the tension tau d. For M15 grade of concrete, the permissible stresses in the compression for bending is 5. For permissible stresses in compression in direct is 4. And permissible stresses in the bond is 0.6. For M20 grade of concrete, the permissible stress in compression is 7. All values are in Newton per mm square, remember. And in direct, 5 Newton per mm square. And the value of tau d is 0.8. For M25 grade of concrete, the value of permissible stresses in compression in bending is 8.5 and in direct 6. And the value of tau d is 0.9. For M30 grade of concrete, the permissible stresses in the compression is 10 in bending and in direct 8. And the value of tau d is 1.0. You can also refer for this table also IS 456-2000, table number 21, page number 81. So these are the values for permissible stresses in concrete, the limiting values. Now, the permissible stresses in steel. Reinforcement. Type of steel, tension in Newton per mm square and compression in Newton per mm square, and shear same having unit Newton per mm square. For Fe250 is the mild steel and Fe415 is the HYSD, high yield strain deformed bars. For Fe250 up to 20 mm diabars, the tension is 140 and in compression 130, shear is 140 Newton per mm square. Over 20 mm 130, compression 130 and shear remains same 130. For Fe415 grade of steel up to 20 mm 230, compression 190, shear 230 Newton per mm square. Over 20 mm 230 Newton per mm square, 190 Newton per mm square and 230 in shear Newton per mm square. You can also refer same IS code IS 456-2000, page number 82, table number 22. So these are the limits described by Indian Standard Codes in direct tension, permissible stresses in concrete and permissible stresses in steel reinforcement. We can also note down these values in our exercise practicing book for comparing our obtained values. Okay, hope you will get. Thank you.